Calaguachera, Calaguachera, look at this beautiful place where we stay in Antwerp. It's nice location. Yeah, really banding for family banding, you know, like 7, 8 person. It's really beautiful. Come and join us. I will show you how beautiful it is, and it's also with a nice view. Look, they also have a big dining table actually for 8 person. You see, so when we arrive, we only have our ready-made food from the restaurant, and we eat first before we go La Quacha. Yes, look, it's so big and huge, the place, and they have complete set. You can eat, you can make your food, so it's really nice. Yeah, the place is nice, and also they have a nice bed. Look, and they have a nice kitchen. And by the kitchen, you see the nice view, what I'm talking about. Look, it's a beautiful view with the train. You can see every time when the train come. It's really huge, the place. Look at this. Nice, huh? Look, they have a beautiful kitchen with refrigerator. And look, they have 3 rooms. So actually, like 9 person, 10 person can stay here. They have also the toilet, the bathroom is separate than the toilet. Yeah, they have bathtub. Wow, look, it's luxury actually, this apartment. This is Simon's apartment in Antwerp. Yeah, they have 2 bed in 1 room. Look, this one also, they have 3 bed, like 10 to 12 person can fit here. Yeah, just the problem is the toilet is only 1 toilet, but you can. Yeah, look here outside also, they also have bed. And here you can see and have a look with the train coming and going here by the big Antwerp station. Kaya mag-i-enjoy kang manood ng train, diba? O sige, manood muna kayo ng train. Pag wala kang ginagawa, you can watch the train here. It's just really the opposite side of the train station. It's really beautiful and nice apartment. We love it, and it's also a good price. Ayan o, di nag-i-enjoy si Mother Dear at si Ricky sa panonood ng train.
Ay!
Ayan, video mo na. Ay,
Na.
haba yun o.
Haba na nga eh.
So, yung... O, diba? Ayan si Ricky na. Ayan ang stasyon eh, doon. Kaya maraming train.
Iyok ba? Mamaya na. Hindi pa ako nagawa.
Ganda yung ating lugar.
Hindi pa ako nagawa. Wala?
Yeah?
Buksan mo. Matatapos na.
Yun o, haba o ng train.
Kunan mo nga ako ng litrato.
Ayan, bye-bye train. Yeah, next time we will check in here again. Pag marami kami. If marami kayo, maganda dito. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Simon's apartment in Antwerp.